Hey there, crafters. Welcome back to Gina C Creates. Today we are going to make this fun 80s theme video game gift card holder. When you flip it over to the back, there is a slot for any standard gift card, and this acts where you would put the video game cartridge, and I just thought it was a cute, clever way to gift a gift card for an 80s theme party. You can also leave out the happy birthday and write your own message. You can download my free SVG file from GinaCCreates.com, and I will also be sharing 19 more free SVG files that are 80s themed, so make sure you go check that out. To make this 80s theme gift card holder, you will need a cutting machine and my SVG template, and you will also need some colored cardstock, and you will need black adhesive vinyl along with some transfer tape, and this is for the text that goes on the screen. And then I also have some scrap paper for the buttons on top of the video game. You don't need whole sheets. You can just use your leftover scraps. I have a scoring stylus, a Cricut scraper, scissors, and some Barely Art glue. And I'm going to be using a standard grip mat that is not brand new. It's kind of dulled out. So to get started, once you have my SVG downloaded, you will extract all files and save it to the same location. And now you will have an open folder with the different art files inside. So close that out and open up Cricut Design Space. Locate the SVG in the downloads folder and upload that and save it to your library and place it into your canvas. And you want to make sure that the SVG size and width is 6 inches. I'm not sure why, but lately Cricut Design Space has been glitching again on the size. So you just want to make sure you have it sized correctly for the gift card. And then you will ungroup and you will see all the layers in the layers panel to the right. So you can select any layers you like and change them to the colors that you want. And I am just going to run through this really quick and switch up my colors so I can make a different gift card holder than I made before. And once you have it to your liking, you can go down to that bottom layer and there will be a cut line and change it to a score line, and then select the whole group and hit attach. And that will be your score line going down the center of the overall gift card. And now you're pretty much ready to cut and make this. So make sure you save it to your project so you don't have to go through these steps. And then for your settings, you're just going to cut on vinyl for your adhesive vinyl for your text. And then the rest you are going to cut on the cardstock, a 65-pound in weight. It's the light cardstock setting. And then I'm also going to change my scoring tool to the stylus, and just depending on whatever you have. And make sure you load that into your Cricut machine before you start cutting, because I can't tell you how many times I forget to load my scoring stylus and then I have to go back and put that in and do it again. So just remember to load that stylus and make sure you're cutting on the appropriate settings when you're doing vinyl and cardstock. And after you have everything cut out, you can just set it aside and then we will begin to assemble. So the first thing I did was grab my pink screen and then get some transfer tape and lay it over my happy birthday text. And I am just going to transfer the vinyl to the transfer tape. And then I like to peel back the backing all the way in the opposite direction. And that seems to help with removing the backing. And now I'm just going to take my transfer tape and apply my vinyl to the center of my pink screen. And then I'm just gently going to remove the transfer tape and set that aside. And now I'm going to fold over that score line that is on the overall shape for my gift card pocket. And I like to use a straight edge to fold over my score line and get it nice and flat. And then I am going to apply my glue. So on the inside, you are going to apply glue to the side that has the gift card pocket. And you're not going to place any glue inside that box where I have those cut lines, because those are used as guide marks for where to apply the glue. So you're just going to place the glue on one side only and not get it in the inside of that square. And then you're just going to fold it over and hold it down in place until it dries. So then you can flip it over to the front, and we're going to get the frame of the video game that has the buttons, and we're going to apply glue to the back, making sure you cover all the edges and place that over the front. And then we are going to glue the back piece to the back as well, covering up those cut lines. Now you may need tweezers for this part, but we're going to place all those little buttons inside the slots. Just make sure you don't apply too much glue so you don't have it overflowing onto the front. And lastly, we will place our happy birthday sign on the front where the screen goes. And I like to use that silicone brush just to brush out any globs of glue so you don't have it ripple your cardstock. And then you just place your gift card in the back. And now you have a fun retro gift card holder. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can get updates on my next Cricut projects, craft tutorials, and free SVG files. I'm Gina C Creates, so you can make.